Mom, where are my slippers?
Near the door, dear.
Can we water the garden together?
Yes, let's go.
Mom, I can't open this jar.
Give it to me, I'll open it.
Where's the remote?
On the sofa cushion.
Mom, I'm thirsty.
Drink some water.
Can I talk to Grandpa?
Yes, I'll call him.
Mom, who rang the bell?
I'll check the door.
Where's the rice kept?
In the container on the shelf.
Mom, my hand is dirty.
Wash it with soap.
Can I sleep now?
Yes, go brush first.
Mom, I hear noise.
It's just the washing machine.
Can I have some biscuits?
Yes, take 2.
Mom, the tap is leaking.
I'll call the plumber.
Where's my towel?
Hanging in the bathroom.
Can I switch on the light?
Yes, it's getting dark.
Mom, who cleaned my room?
I did it this morning.
Where's the salt?
On the dining table.
Mom, my shoes are wet.
Dry them in the sun.
Can I borrow your pen?
Yes, take it.
Mom, someone knocked.
Go see who it is.
Where's the broomstick?
Behind the door.
Mom, I need money for school.
I'll give it to you.